Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to second class of mathematics. So, last class I studied about polynomial, some parts polynomial. Last class we already discussed then types of polynomial, then zeros of polynomial. Okay. So first we discuss about the quadratic polynomial again. Quadratic polynomial, the standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0. The standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0. As it is a quadratic polynomial, we get two number of factors and two number of zeros. If alpha and beta are two zeros, let alpha and beta are two zeros of this polynomial. Alpha and beta are two zeros of this polynomial. Then, now we have to discuss the relation between zeros and coefficient of the polynomial. देखो in this case a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. Alpha and beta are two zeros of this polynomial. And we already proved sum of zeros, sum of zeros means alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus b here coefficient of x, so minus coefficient of x divided by a is the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square. Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta, formula minus b by a minus coefficient of x, b here coefficient of x and a here coefficient of x square. Then come to product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to alpha beta, formula c by a, c here constant term and a here coefficient of x square. So constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay. और एक बार स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c a not equal to 0. Alpha and beta are two zeros. As it is a quadratic polynomial, so it has two number of zeros. And sum of zeros, alpha plus beta minus b by a minus coefficient of b here coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Then product of zeros, alpha beta equal to c by a equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay. So these are the relation between zeros and coefficient of the polynomials. Coefficient of the polynomials. Okay. Now, so in reverse, if alpha and beta given, how we form a quadratic polynomial? If देखो इधर polynomial given, we found here zeros by different methods like splitting middle term factor method or first into last method or by error and trial method. But if zeros are given, how we form a quadratic polynomial? For this, we make a formula, just a formula. If ax square plus bx plus c equal and a not equal to 0 is the standard form and alpha and beta are two zeros, then to form a quadratic polynomial, the formula is k or p of x equal to k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, where k is a constant. If alpha beta given or sum of zeros and product of zeros given, to form a quadratic polynomial, we make formula we take the help of the formula k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, where k is a constant. In some books, so k may be left, but if you take k, it's to be easy. Make this. Okay. Now come to exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. We already to discuss number 1 का first bit, second bit. Now come to third bit. Number 2, third bit. Question here, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. First we arrange according to the degree of the polynomial. If we arrange this, we get here 6x square minus 7x minus 3. When term moves, the sign before that term also move. So we arrange this according to the descending order of the exponents. We write here 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So if we remind the standard form ax square plus bx plus c, mark here, in standard form all are in positive cases, but here a is the coefficient of x. So from this you get a equal to, you write here a equal to x का coefficient here 6, so a here 6, and b here x का coefficient, a here x square का coefficient, b here x का coefficient here minus 7, and c here minus 3. Our first aim to find the zeros and then verify or then shows the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Before this, first p of x equal to 6x square minus 7x minus 3. If you follow first into last method, 6 into 3, 18, and 3 का before sign here minus. So you say two number whose product is 18 and difference is 7. 9 and 2. 9 2 is 18. 9 minus 2, 7. So you write here 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3. Now first two terms we take common 2x common के बाद you get here 3x plus 1. Then last two terms से 3 common के बाद you get 3x plus 1. Both से 3x plus 1 common and 2x minus 3. As we found 0 of this polynomial, the value of this is equal with 0. So we write here, so p of x equal to 0 implies 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. product of two term here 0, either first one 0 or second one 0 or both are zeros. So if you write if 3x plus 1 equal to 0 implies 3x equal to 0 minus 1 implies x equal to minus 1 by 3. Then 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to 0 plus 3 implies x equal to 3 by 2. First 0 minus 1 by 3, second 0 here 3 by 2. So you take alpha equal to minus 1 by 3 and beta equal to 3 by 2. Beta equal to 3 by 2. Now we have to calculate the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means alpha plus beta, which is equal to, देखो alpha here minus 1 by 3 plus beta here 3 by 2. 3 2 का LCM here 6 divided by 3 2 multiply with minus 1 minus 2 plus 6 by 2 3 3 is 9 here, which is equal to 7 by 6. 7 by 6. If you mark 7 here minus 7 here B and 6 is the A, minus 7 by 6 can be written as minus of minus 7 by 6. Minus into minus, we just adjust it. Minus of minus 7 by 6, which is equal to minus 7 का value here B, so minus B. 6 here value of A, so minus B by A. You get here? Sum of zeros equal to minus B by A. At last you write here alpha plus beta, so minus B here coefficient of x. Coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Any doubt? Okay. Now come to product of zeros. Product of zeros, which is equal to alpha beta. देखो alpha here minus 1 by 3 and beta here 3 by 2. 3 cancel, you get minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. And minus 1 by 2 can be written as, देखो C का value here minus 3 and तो A का value here 6. If you simplify, तो minus 3 by 6 you get minus 1 by 2. So this can be written as C by A, implies product of 0 alpha beta equal to C here constantar by coefficient of x square. Confirm this. Okay. Now come to next question. 4u square plus 8u. देखो if we change into standard form, this can be written as 4u square plus 8u plus 0. So here A equal to, A here coefficient of u square, so A here 4, B here 8, u का coefficient 8 and C constant term here 0. Then so P of x equal to 4u square plus 8u. If you take common 4u common के बाद you get here au plus 2. As we find the zeros of this polynomial, so this value is equal with 0. So 4 P of x equal to 0 implies 4u into u plus 2 is equal with 0. Product of two term here 0, either first one 0 or second one 0 or both are zeros. Okay. So in this case first you take here 4u equal to 0. As 4u equal to 0, u equal to 0 by 4, which is equal to 0. In second case, u plus 2 equal to 0 implies u equal to 0 minus 2 implies u equal to minus 2. So you get two zeros, alpha here 0 and beta here minus 2. Then come to sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, first 0 here 0 and second 0 here minus 2. 0 minus 2 you can write. Minus 2. And minus 2, if we adjust it to A here 4 and B here 8, minus 2 can be written as minus of 8 by 4, which is equal to minus B by A. देखो minus 2 split over minus 8 by 4. If we simplify, we get here minus 2, 8 here B and 4 here A. So sum of zeros equal to minus B by A, which is equal to coefficient of minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Then product of zeros, 0 into B here, second here minus 2, 0 into minus 2, 0. And this can be written as 0 by 4. 0 here C by A. So C here 0 and A here 4, which is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. So rest of VI you can do it. Now come to number 2. Number 2 question here. To find a quadratic polynomial each with the given number as the sum and product of its zeros are respectively. Because sum and product of zeros given, by taking those information, we have to form a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, देखो sum of zeros and product of zeros are given. Let alpha and beta are two zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Alpha and beta are two zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Okay. देखो question here sum of zeros given. So first sum of zeros means alpha plus beta given. Alpha plus beta here 1 by 4. Then product of zeros here. Product of zeros means alpha beta. Alpha beta here minus 1. Then we form a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial formula here P of x equal to k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. P of x k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, which is equal to k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta का value here 1 by 4, right here 1 by 4 into x, then plus alpha beta here minus 1. Formula k into k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So k whole into x square minus, in place of alpha beta we put here 1 by 4. And in place of alpha beta we use minus 1. Then k whole into x square minus 1 by 4 into x, you write here x by 4. Then plus into minus here minus 1. Now k whole into, if we take the LCM here 4 by 1 4 multiply with x square 4x square minus 4 by 4 1 into x here x 4 ones are 4 this 4. Okay, देखो if we take k as 4, so 4 get cancel, we get here this as the quadratic polynomial. So the quadratic polynomial is 4x square minus x minus 4 here k equal to 4. If you take 4 here, k as 4 get cancel and you get here 4x square minus 4 minus x minus 4 as the required quadratic polynomial. Okay, you may test it. Suppose we test whether this polynomial is true or false. देखो only test, not requirement here to test it. देखो 4x square minus x minus 4. If you split it, 4 4s are 16. Product here 16 and their difference here 1. Difference here 1. कोई नंबर है क्या? 4 4s are 16 and their difference here. Or you may follow the first into last method. After finding this, you find two zeros and then you test whether alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 4 and alpha beta equal to minus 1. If doubt, then explain. Next here, the sum of zeros. Second bit, sum of zeros alpha plus beta given. Alpha plus beta here root 2. And product of zeros alpha beta given. Alpha beta here 1 by 3. Same process, we follow the formula. The quadratic polynomial is p of x. Formula here k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. P of x equal to k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Then k whole into x square remain constant. Then alpha plus beta का वैल्यू here root 2 into x you get root 2x. Then alpha beta का वैल्यू here 1 by 3. Next k whole into, if we take LCM here 3 into x square 3x square minus 3 into root 2x 3 root 2x plus 1. So the quadratic polynomial is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 where k equal to 3. If take k equal to 3 get cancel, so you get here 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is the required quadratic polynomial. Next third bit here, sum of zeros alpha plus beta equal to 0 and product of zeros alpha beta equal to root 5. So formula p of x equal to k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Then k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta का वैल्यू here 0, so 0 into x plus alpha beta here root 5, you write root 5. Then k whole into x square minus 0 into x 0, so we remove this term, then plus root 5. So the quadratic polynomial is x square plus root 5, x square plus root 5 where k equal to 1. There is no denominator here, so for this we take k equal to 1. You get the quadratic polynomial is 0x square plus root 5 where k equal to 1. Confirm this? Okay. Next, IV. IV here sum of zeros 1 and product of zeros also 1. That here alpha plus beta here 1 and product of 0 alpha beta also 1. So for the quadratic polynomial, then the formula is P of x equal to k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, which is equal to k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta का value 1 into x 1 plus alpha beta here 1, which is equal to k whole into x square minus x plus 1. So the quadratic polynomial is x square minus x plus 1 where k equal to 1. As there is no denominator here, so you take k as 1. Confirm this. Then come to B point. So B here, so sum of zeros here alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 by 4 and product of zeros alpha beta equal to 1 by 4. Sum of 0 alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 by 4 and alpha beta equal to 1 by 4. Confirm this? Okay. Now come to formula P of x equal to k whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. K whole into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, which is equal to k whole into x square, then alpha plus beta का value here minus 1 by 4 into x plus alpha beta here 1 by 4. Now k whole into x square minus into minus here plus 1 by 4 into x then plus 1 by 4. Now k whole into LCM, if you take LCM you get here 4 into x square, you get here 4x square plus 4 by 4 1 into x here x, then 4 by 4 1 into 1 which equal to, so the quadratic polynomial, equal to 4x square plus x plus 1 where k equal to 4. देखो इधर डिनोमिनेटर जो भी होगा that should be equal with k. So if k equal to 4, then you get here 4x square plus x plus 4 is the required quadratic polynomial. 4 and 1 you can do it. Next come to division algorithm of polynomial. देखो in previous class or in class 4-5 you know division algorithm. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. देखो in this case तो क्वेश्चन here divide in class 9 you already learn. Okay, तो 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. देखो we have to divide this. We have to divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. देखो before division most important you verify whether the dividend or divisor both are in the order. That means according to their exponent the terms are present or not. According to their exponent the terms are either in ascending or descending order, but it is better to if it is descending order. If terms are not in arranged or in order, then first we order this term and then we follow the long method. Okay, तो long method देखो इधर 2x square x square coefficient here, exponent here 2, 3x exponent here 1 and constant term exponent here 0. So order में तो है. Now come to divisor, x का exponent और power 1 and 2 constant. So order में now we have to divide this. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. First we try to equal the first term, then rest of we do that latter. देखो इधर first term here x in divisor, in dividend first term here 2x square. So x into dash equal to 2x square. First we tally or first we equal the coefficient, then variable. देखो इधर x means x का coefficient here 1 and 2x square coefficient here 2. So 1 into dash equal to 2. So that's answer here 2. So you write here 2. x and इधर x square. So x into dash equal to x square. The answer here x. So we write here x. That means x into, we have to multiply this 2x in both x plus 2 or in both term of this polynomial x plus 2. देखो when we multiply 2x with x, we get here 2x square. Here plus, so plus into plus plus. 2x into 2, 2 2 is a 4, 4x. Now, if terms are in same sign, then we subtract. But terms are of different sign, then we add this. देखो here 2x square and 2x square both are positive, means same sign here. So we should subtract this. At the time of subtraction, the second polynomial sign changed. Plus changed into minus and minus changed into plus. This plus 2x square changed into minus 2x square and this plus 4x changed into minus 4x. This plus 2x square minus 2x square get cancelled. So here 3x minus 4x, 3x minus 4x you get here minus x. Minus x. And plus, bring down here plus 1. Because here x, here minus x. X and here minus x. So first plus is the requirement minus. So that's why we put here minus side. Here x का coefficient 1, here x का coefficient also 1. We take here 1. 1 you don't write this. X and x, so you write here 1. So minus 1, first x से multiplication होगा minus x. Then minus 1 plus 2, so minus 2. So minus, this are the same sign, so sign change होगा, minus change into plus and this minus change into plus. Plus 1 plus 2 you get here 3. You get here 3. देखो question here. So in this formula or in this calculation, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is the dividend. Is the dividend. X plus 2 is the divisor. 2x minus 1 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder and 3 is the remainder. So after performing division, then you write here dividend. Dividend equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Dividend equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1. And divisor here x plus 2. Quotient here 2x minus 1 and remainder here 3. Understand this? Dividend here 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Divisor here x plus 2. quotient here 2x minus 1 and remainder here 3. देखो क्वेश्चन here, तो we have to prove the division algorithm. Division algorithm says that we have to prove that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. देखो dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now just verify this. First we take here RHS. RHS here divisor here x plus 2 into quotient here 2x minus 1 plus remainder here 3. So by distributive property we multiply this. First x multiply with the total x into 2x minus 1, then plus 2 into 2x minus 1, then plus 3. देखो x into 2x you get here 2x square, x into minus 1 you get here minus x, plus 2 into 2x, so 2 to the 4x, plus into minus 2, then plus 3. 2x square minus x plus 4x you get here plus 3x, minus 2 plus 3 you get here plus 1. देखो which is equal to dividend. So we verify this. At last you write here, hence dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Verified or proved. Confirm or doubt? No. Now come to exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Number 1. देखो एक्सरसाइज 2.3 का नंबर 1 का क्वेश्चन हियर, डिवाइड द पॉलिनोमियल p of x by a polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. देखो नंबर 1 का फर्स्ट बिट हियर p of x गिवन, p of x here x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and g of x equal to x square minus 2. p of x equal to x square x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. g of x equal to x square minus 2. Question here, we divide this polynomial and find out quotient and remainder. देखो before divide, first you test whether the exponents of each term are in order or not. If order, then you follow the division rule. If they are not in order, then first arrange it and then divide it. देखो इधर x क्यूब 3x स्क्वायर 5x माइनस 3 ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर में तो है, x square minus 2 वो भी ऑर्डर में है. ओके, नाउ वी जस्ट डिवाइड दिस. x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x माइनस 3, x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x माइनस 3. दिस पॉलिनोमियल डिवाइडेड बाय x स्क्वायर माइनस 2. This polynomial divided by x square minus 2. Okay. देखो इधर x square here x cube. So x square into dash we get here x cube. Now that's the answer here x. If we multiply x with x square we get x cube. So as here x square coefficient both are 1. So we write here x. x into x square x cube plus into minus result minus x into 2 we get here 2x. Okay, now So x cube same sign. For this we subtract here. So this one minus plus change into minus and this minus change into plus here. X cube minus x cube cancel. देखो इधर 5x इधर 2x. At the time of solving this, first we write the term who is a greater exponent. So as 3x square is the greater exponent here, so we write this term, and before writing this term, then we identify the sign before that term. If plus, it is not necessary to write plus, but if minus, it is most important to write that sign minus. Okay. So minus 3x square, you write here minus 3x square. Here plus 5x and plus 2x. Plus 5x plus 2x, so what the result here? Plus 7x. Then bring down 3. देखो here x square, here minus 3x square. As plus we need minus here, so we must put here minus sign. Here coefficient here 1 and here coefficient here 3. So 1 into dash equal to 3. So 1 into 3 here 3. So 3x square minus into plus minus 3 into x square. 3 into x square, we get here 3x square, then minus minus plus, so 3 2 is 6. This minus change into plus, this plus change into minus. Cancel. देखो 7x minus 3 minus 6, you get here minus 9. After solving this, देखो question here we have to find which one is quotient and which one remainder. Mark here. This one dividend, this one divisor, this one quotient, and this one remainder. Okay, and rest of you can do it. Number two का question here. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by first polynomial. देखो तो for particular देखो before going to number 2, alright, देखो this one x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 divided by x square minus 2. Remainder comes 7x minus 9. If remainder comes 0, in that case, this one is a factor of, that means x square minus 2 is a factor of this. Otherwise, it is not a factor. As 7x minus 9 is not equal to 0, so x square minus 2 is not a factor of this polynomial. Okay, this much. So if doubt, then call me. Okay, thank you.